My name's Chris Proler. We have locations in Houston, Texas, Vidor, Texas, and Sabine, Texas. And we started the Proler Group in 2017. And we decided that Houston was a little bit fragmented. So we decided to come to East Texas, and about 30 days ago we installed our shredder, and it's been an emotional deal for us, especially me. My grandfather and his brothers invented it back in the 1950s, and if it wasn't for this man and our team, we wouldn't be where we are today, and I say that with as much humility as I can.
My name is Brent Walker, and came to work with this organization about 3 years ago. Startup company, saw it as a phenomenal opportunity to go out and make a difference in a community, and just the cultural alignment was there with this group that is most critical to me before making any type of long-term commitment. Put in a lot of hard work trying to put the right people on the bus in the right seat. Have been very blessed to put together a phenomenal team of people. That includes our vendors, and Treybeck at Four Seasons has been a part of the ride with us and experienced our good times and our bad, and hopefully have some great times ahead of us. We've learned over the years that your products and your equipment are only as good as your support and your service. And from top to bottom, Four Seasons has been there for us, from sales reps, maintenance, all the way up to the management team at Four Seasons. When we've been in need and needed support, they've always been there to lend a helping hand and get us up and running again. So feel very grateful to have them as a member of our team.
And with Four Seasons and Trey as a team, when we need parts, it's there within 24 hours. When I need Trey, he's there within an hour or 2 hours. Whether we're in Vidor, whether we're in Sabine, Louisiana. And you know what? I've never in my entire life dealt with an equipment guy that has our back. He's part of our team.
We've had quite a bit of experience with Fuchs products over the last 10 or 12 years in the industry. And so as the need arose to purchase another unit to direct feed the new hammer mill shredder that we just finished building, we contacted Trey at Four Seasons. Didn't shop around because we only want to do business with Four Seasons. And so called him to get some pricing on an MHL 350, a 370, and a 390. Based on the options available at the time and units available, we ended up making the decision to go with MHL 350. So it's currently feeding our shredder here at our main facility. Had zero issues with it, and trying to keep it looking the way it showed up in pristine condition. But the Fuchs brand has never let us down. Previously purchased a Fuchs back in 2006, and had nothing but a great experience out of the machine, and have been very pleased thus far with their new line of material handlers. When the question of equipment comes up in conversation with our customers and other vendors and even steel mills that we deal with, there's only one name that we're comfortable bringing up when we're asked for a reference, and that's Four Seasons and Treybeck. That's been our experience, and the value of having not only a company and a product that you can trust in, but also someone that won't tell you what you want to hear, sets the expectation, does what he says he's going to do, shows up, and always has your back, is worth more than money. And so that kind of commitment is the kind of commitment we look for in all of our vendors. Through that, we've also become very close friends with Trey and his team, and are looking forward to spending some more money and creating some more memories with him in the years to come.